Lived a century to find that soaking beef in leftover milk gives you a steak marinade more tender than tofu. Skilled mums, once you master this, you won't need synthetic steaks. Homemade ones are safer for kids and tastier than restaurant versions. Today, I went to the market early and spent £6 to buy 3 pounds of beef tenderloin, which is tender and good for children. After slicing, use the back of a knife to pound it for better marination. The key is to soak each piece of beef in milk, as milk enzymes soften the meat, making the steak neither tough nor dry. Prepare a proper potato and cut it into strips. After soaking, add 2 freshly laid eggs, a handful of onions, and a packet of what even restaurant chefs use. Black pepper steak marinade is the best I've tried. Add a spoonful of oil for extra flavour. Use your lucky little hands to mix it evenly and marinate for half an hour. We always make a few extra to store in the fridge, ready to eat whenever. When the kids fancy steak, just take one out and fry it in the pan. No technical skills needed, just cook it through and serve. This delicious and nutritious black pepper steak is ready, and it's just as good as any restaurant. Go on, let your kids try it at home.
Everyone, look. Here's a trending method for a popular New Year's dish. At a restaurant, a portion costs £12.80. Impressively, this can entertain guests for New Year celebrations. Get some pork tenderloin at £5 a kilo, cut it into bite-sized pieces, add a bit of salt and pepper, and mix in an egg yolk. Marinate briefly to add flavour. For the batter, mix 2 tablespoons of flour and 4 of starch in a bowl, then add half a bottle of leftover beer. The batter should resemble yogurt. Add a spoonful of oil for fluffiness. It's ideal for frying aubergines, chicken wings, and fish at New Year, ensuring crispiness. Crack an egg, add spring onion, coat the pork pieces in batter thoroughly. Heat the oil to medium-high, then add the pork pieces one by one. Don't stir too often, fry until golden brown on all sides. Drain the oil, leaving some in the pan, then add a packet of sweet and sour sauce. Sweet and sour dishes like fish, pork, or ribs are perfect for New Year. Stir until bubbling, then add fried meat, cucumber, and carrot for colour. Stir 5 or 6 times until coated in sauce, then serve. This sweet and sour cherry pork is crispy, tangy, and loved by all. Save the recipe and showcase your skills this New Year if you like it.